Ready for some facts that might make your skin crawl? First up, like a real-life zombie movie, a certain fungus can hijack an ant's brain, forcing it to climb a plant before erupting out of its head to spread spores. Next, did you know your furry friend is a master manipulator? Dogs actually evolved specific eyebrow muscles just to mimic human-like expressions and tug at our heartstrings. If you're looking for a snack with a kick, bananas are actually naturally radioactive because they contain potassium. But don't worry, you need to eat 10 million at once for it to be fatal. Speaking of eating, when you snack on a pineapple, it eats you back using an enzyme called bromelain that literally digests your proteins. For something truly bizarre, surgeons once discovered a tiny fir tree growing inside a man's lung after he accidentally inhaled a seed. Back on land, horned lizards can squirt high-pressure blood right out of their eyeballs to scare off predators. If you think your house is empty, think again. The average bed can host up to 10 million microscopic dust mites at any given time. And finally, did you know that crows can actually recognize and remember human faces? Maybe try to stay on their good side. If you survived these, follow us for more fascinating content like this.